Hey guys, this is Galen, okay? Today I'm going to be doing a video about how to lubricate your 3D printer. With so many lubricants out there today, choosing one is very difficult. And today I'm going to be covering about two different types of lubricants that you can consider getting in order to maintain your 3D printer in a peak condition. So without further ado, here you guys go.
Alright, so there's two different types of lubricants that we're going to be talking about today. One is a liquid-based lubricant, which I'm holding right now, and the other is a paste-like lubricant which serves the same purpose as a liquid-based one. In this video, I will be talking about the pros and cons for both of these lubricants and which one works best for your 3D printer. So let's open this up and see what are the main differences between both of these types of lubricants. Taking the package off reveals one major distinction between both of the lubricants, that is the nozzle that controls the flow of the lubricant. Because one is grease-based, the nozzle is significantly much larger than the one that is liquid-based. So let's move on to the cleaning procedure. What I normally do is take a microfiber cloth and start wiping the rods clean, so that there's no gunk that's stuck between the rods when I add synthetic grease or oil on. Oh, and one more thing. From my past experience, I generally make sure the rods are dry and crisp to touch before applying it, so make sure you wipe all the residuals off. So let's move to the first test. The one I'm using right now is a paste-like lubricant. As you can see, it's very concentrated and it allows for very specific parts to be lubricated. After applying the lubricant, I normally wipe it with a microfiber cloth. I normally try and wipe it in a way that every single part is covered with a layer of lubricant. What you also have to make sure is not to overdo it. By over-greasing, it might also impact the performance of your 3D printer, in particular the movement of the X, Y, and Z axis. The reason being, applying too much grease might mean that over time, it's going to form a small layer of crust, which tends to clog up the head that sits on the rail. Moving on, I'm going to be using some liquid-based lubricant right now. As you can see over here, the viscosity is much more higher than water. What this means is that you don't need to wipe it as hard as the paste, which I've done in the earlier part of the video. Comparatively speaking, both of the lubricants serve the same function. However, if you had to choose between one of them, I'd actually choose the paste-like lubricant. It's just because I find it easier to use and there's less tidying up that I have to do after cleaning my 3D printer.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe and please support me through my Amazon referral links.